Hare Krishna Bhagavatam, 10th canto, 3rd chapter, 25th verse. The prayers going to Lord Krishna now by Devaki. Naste loke dviparardhavasane Mama bhuteshu adibhutam gateshu Vyakte avyaktam kalavagena yate Bhavaneka shishyate ashesha samyaha. After millions of years, at the time of cosmic annihilation, when everything manifested and unmanifested, annihilated by the force of time, the five gross elements enter into the subtle conception, and the manifested categories enter into the unmanifested substance. At that time, you alone remain, and you are known as Ananta Shesha Naga. So here we see the prayers by Devaki. She is quite confident, aware of the position of Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. We don't expect Yashoda Mother to offer this kind of prayer. Yogamaya will not allow her to do this. When Krishna showed Vishwarupa into the mouth of his mouth to Yashoda, she actually got bewildered because they're disturbing her mood. She's always in anxiety about Krishna. Krishna monkeys will trap him, this will happen. She's always in great anxiety. Prabhupada said anxiety is needed, otherwise you will sleep. Spiritual life also we should have anxiety. But Ma Manuspara Yuddhacha, according to we can handle. But we should have, otherwise we'll just sleep. We don't have material anxiety, but we should have spiritual anxiety. Something has to be done for the Lord. That kind of day is going on. Just like what happens when you're working in office. You aren't be conscious. Particularly when you're working for some company, every day at the end you have to report what is the work you have done today. Correct? You have to make the day report, isn't it? Same way, we should also report to the Lord. Otherwise the day will be simply thrown away. One more day thrown away, one more day thrown away. Best is always to develop some service to the Lord and be excited and absorbed in that. Keep developing some service to the Lord. Be absorbed. If you want to stay brahmachari, good sadhana, one part. Second part is be absorbed in the devotion service. Part number 3, have very good dealings with the Vaishnavas, affectionate dealing with all the devotees. And number 4, have some challenge every day in service to Krishna. Something very difficult and challenging. So then we can stay absorbed in Krishna consciousness. Otherwise the mind will take us to somewhere else. So Yashoda Mother has a challenge every day. She's anxiety. What will happen? My child, I have to take care of him. She's always in that mood. But that is only privilege of Rajavasis, where they are never conscious of the position of Krishna. Therefore, she was in a position to tackle Krishna's childhood Leela. See, it's all drama. He had to leave Devaki and go to Yashoda because she cannot handle that. That is for very advanced devotees. The childhood Leela of the Lord, everybody cannot handle. Correct? That is for Yashoda. So therefore Krishna went to Yashoda for that, to give her the pleasure, and she can handle. And she's a Vrajavasi. She's very advanced, and she has the intense love in which Krishna makes them forget that he is God, and they are totally involved in service to Krishna. So that is one part of it. And Devaki is offering wonderful prayers because she is not a Vrajavasi. She is conscious of position of Krishna. So when Krishna appeared as Narayana, then as a small child, both of them are offering prayers. Now what is this prayer? She is in total knowledge. The devotee is not a fool. She might have not gone to Gurukul, but she heard from Vasudeva. She has clear knowledge about the Lord. And what is the knowledge? Everything comes from the Lord, goes back to the Lord. Simple knowledge. The whole material manifestation in the beginning also, only Krishna was there. Nothing else was there. And after everything is destroyed, only Krishna remains. That is in Chatushloki Bhagavatam also. Very simple, no? So when the creation happens, it goes through different stages. First thing, unmanifested material energy. Then become manifested. There are two names for it. One is called Pradhana, one is called Mahatattva. Mahatattva is like a table with all the item, khichdi. Everything is there in it. There is all the 24 elements are there. The 5 gross elements, the subtle elements, then the 5 sense objects, the objects of sense perception. These are all subtle. I is just something which has been kept here. I is a sense, actually, subtle sense. The mind has the I, soul has an I. All the 3 places I is there. This is a gross I, connecting the 2 eyes. Correct? The seer is the soul. I remember a long time ago I met a Mayavadi. He said, no, the soul has nothing. I said, then how does it see? He was confused for that day. His day was over. Their philosophy is so illogical. The soul has eyes. It is seeing through the material eyes now. And there is subtle eye also. So therefore, what we see in the creation is subtle. Subtle. So we say now 24 elements, 5 objects of the senses, Rupa, Gandha, this is all Sankhya. These are all there. Subtle senses, subtle sense objects. So these all things can be understood. But anyway, the point is that the 5 gross elements we know, Panchabhuta. 3 subtle element, mind, intelligence, false ego. Within this 8, 24 can be divided. Then this 8 are there now. We have. And then we go back. With all this, when the creation occurs, first unmanifested material energy, pradhana. From that comes a manifested material energy, that is the Mahatattva. And from Mahatattva, and all things now, transformation starts off. The false ego, then it is said, actuated by the glance of the Lord, Bhagavatam explains, it goes the next stage. False ego, then comes the mind, now intelligence, that is developed. Then again, Mahavishnu's intervention goes to the next stage. It goes to the intelligence, to the mind. Then goes more gross to the ether. Then more gross, air, more gross, fire, more gross, water, then earth. More gross. So when it is dissolved, it goes to the reverse order. From earth, it will dissolve in water, water will dissolve in fire, fire will dissolve in air, air will go into ether, ether will go into mind, mind will go into intelligence, intelligence goes to false ego goes back to pradhana, then goes back, all the thing unmanifested goes inside Krishna. So basically energy is conserved, we also know. So but all the energy is in unlimited quantity are there in Krishna, and Krishna can produce unlimited energy. Okay? But the material manifestation, the energies are transforming. Krishna is not transforming. That is the difference between Achinta Bheda Veda and Advaita. For Achinta Bheda Veda, they say Lord is transformed. Parinamavada, Vivartavada. We say no. What is transforming is not the Lord. The metal energy is transforming. They take an example. You take a sheet of paper, make it into 100 pieces. The paper is finished. Paper is not finished. Metal sense, it is finished. When God is divided to the metal nature, God is finished. God is not finished. He is standing there. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam. Simple sloka they can't understand. Purnat Purnamudachyate. So many Purnata coming out of God that remains as it is. They cannot understand that. Why they cannot understand? Main problem with Mayavadis is they took a look at matter, they project matter on God. Why do you do like that? They see material form is painful. In God there is no material form. Why you are projecting material thing into spiritual thing? There is spiritual form there. There is material relationships. People are ungrateful, they cheat you. Correct? You love them, they don't love you. That it happens in the material world. So spiritual world, no love. No, lot of love is there. But spiritual love is there. So if they project material thing into spiritual thing, therefore they like all this. I am there, nobody else is there, no form is there. Prabhupada said it's a life of frustration. Angur khatte. They try to enjoy the material world, they could not enjoy. So spiritual realm, there is no enjoyment, there is no personality. That's the idea. So similarly, they also think that God divided into metal energy, now God doesn't exist. Just like a paper, if you divide into 100 pieces, the paper doesn't exist then. It's all over. Correct? But Krishna expands to million forms, he still exists. Krishna comes out from so many energies, but he exists independently. His energies are transforming, not he. This is very difficult for Advaitvadi to understand. This is the concept of Achinta Bheda Abheda, inconceivable oneness and difference. Maya tatam idam sarvam jagat avyakta murtinaha mastani sarva bhutani naham tesho vasthitaha. Krishna says, I am there, but I am not there. I am there. Avyakta murtina, in my unmanifested stage, everything is situated in my unmanifested energy only. Correct? Everything is sustaining on that. But I am not there. I am in the spiritual world. But Krishna is present here. Just like it is said, the Lord Chaitanya prayed. Advaita Acharya prayed for Lord Chaitanya to come. So Lord Chaitanya says at that time, I in the form of Ananda, I am in the form of Vishnu lying in Yoga Nidra. I woke up. Because anyway, all are expansions of the Lord. So Lord, material energy is such activities are so stupid, his eyes are closed actually. Just like हमारे निद्रा में सब होता है ना, ये सब हम लोग का बेवकूफ़ी का काम भगवान निद्रा में ही कर देते हैं. Krishna doesn't have to open his eyes to create this world. He can create this in dream. Krishna's dream is also true. Our dream also, there is some substance about it. Shri Radha Govinda ki. But Krishna's dream, there is a lot of substance. The whole material manifestation is the dream of Krishna. Correct? He's dreaming. And all things are going on. But when you say, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna opens the eyes. What happened? Interesting. Otherwise, in the dream, in the sense, his eyes are closed, in the sense that he is not interested. Like a judge in the court. So many things are going on. Kya kiya? Murder kar diya? Hang kar do. He is not crying. Kya kiya? Oh, wrong. Usko compensation de do. 1 crore. Tell him. He is not jumping. Oh, 1 crore I am giving you. No. His heart is not there. जैसे कॉलेज में जाते हैं बच्चे लोग, the students go to college, they have no interest there. मरे की तरह बैठे, क्या है क्लास में हूँ लेकिन मैं इधर नहीं हूँ, मैं कहीं और हूँ. That's true or not? So we are also like that. We are there but we are not there. Office we go, those who work in office, we are there but we are not there. But spiritual life should not be like that. I am there. We were in temple, I am there but not there. Then it is not correct. True, sadhaka means it is that only. He is there and he has to be there. In mind also, I am chanting Hare Krishna, I am there but I have to be there. Not that I am chanting but my mind is somewhere else. That is not correct. So material life is disinterested obligatory duty. That means disinterested means you are not interested. You are doing but your mind is not there. Mind is somewhere else. When will I see Krishna? There where the mind is. Correct? When will Krishna accept me? That is where the mind of a devotee is. Is my service pleasing to Krishna? That is where the mind is. Correct? How do I improve my service to Krishna? The mind of a devotee stays there. At the same time, he is doing some activity. But in Krishna consciousness, fully there. Material consciousness means you have to drag the mind to devotion service. Mind is running away from devotion service, so many material things. But he is pulling the mind, dragging the mind to Krishna's lotus feet. That is called sadhana. But when the sadhana you are doing at the taste awakens, then we are there, fully there. In spiritual life we call spaced out. Kidhar hai, pata nahi kidhar hai. Spaced out, he is lost in spaces. No, he is fully there. He is reading Bhagavad Gita, is fully there. He is able to read with concentration. Then material field, they opened something big talk now. Very popular talk, mindfulness. That means big psychologists are talking how we can, if you type mindfulness as a hashtag, you will get lot of talks happening. People are difficult for them to concentrate on the job. But they are from childhood only. They cannot concentrate on their studies, so they are forced to go to tuition to study. Nobody can study on its own nowadays. हमारे को तो ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, पढ़ते थे तो पढ़ते थे, आजकल नहीं पढ़ सकते. माइंड बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्टेड है, बहुत जगह है. And then with the same student when he goes to job, same problem is he is not there. He cannot concentrate. Therefore mindfulness has become big concept and all tricks and patchwork they do, how they can be mindful. No. Whatever you do, connected to the Lord, you will be fully mindful. If you are a devotee. If you are a devotee, I am doing it for Krishna. So then you are fully absorbed. Because work or the result of the work, I am serving Krishna. The person is totally absorbed in the work, whatever he is doing. See, anyway, devotee Daksha. So Krishna is not there in the material world. He is there just signing the file. His heart is not there. But when somebody says Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Krishna's eyes open. Oh, interesting. And he becomes personally involved. So Krishna hands over the manager of the universe to Vishnu. You take care. And he's dancing with the gopis, dancing with the cowherd boys, playing with Mother Yashoda in the spiritual world, playing with the cows. Correct? Whatever we hear Krishna, that is eternally going on. But when you say Hare Krishna, Krishna says, wait a minute. When my devotee is there calling for me, Krishna becomes immediately personally interested. But the call should be sincere to whatever degree possible. It's not that at this moment I can make a call like Advaita Acharya made a call. We cannot make a call. There is no faith like that. There is no love like that. Correct? Just like Queen Kunti also says, when we are finding some satisfaction in material things, we cannot offer prayer to Krishna with all our heart. Correct? Janmaisharya Shuta Shivi Edamana Madahapuman Na Ev Arati Abhutavtum Vai Tvam Akinchana Gochara. We cannot. Another very nice place it is explained by Rupa Goswami. You can become Krishna conscious only for one condition. You should have a sincere laulium, greed to be Krishna conscious. But to greed to be Krishna conscious is not easy. It takes many lifetimes. So we should have sincere desire. So Krishna is also present there. Just like you are looking at the deities. But deities are looking through you. They are not looking at you. But when you say pray, my Lord, here I am, servant of your great devotee, Prabhupada. Krishna, oh, yes. What is it? Krishna is looking there. I want to offer prayers to you. Yes, you can offer prayers. Krishna is always the Supreme Lord. He is not your servant. Always you treat him like the Supreme Lord. And Queen Kunti offers very good prayers. Krishna said, okay. And he was smiling. Badam. One word he says, accepted. That's it. Perfected. Krishna smiles. And that smile was more enchanting than anything. Correct? Satisfied by the prayers. So we can, Prabhupada says, if you also become advanced, you will also see Krishna face to face and offer prayers. What will you do when you see Krishna? You will offer prayers. Now Queen Kunti, this is Devaki saying, offer prayers. We are not ready because we don't even know how to offer prayers. So what do you see the Lord for? He is not your servant. I want to see Krishna. You want to engage him in your service or you want to be engaged in his service? Reverse. Na Krishna ko dekhna hai kis liye? Just like किसी को मिलने जाते हैं. I want appointment with them. Why? Secretary पूछेगा क्यों मिलना चाहते हो? क्यों मिलना चाहते हो? नहीं, उसको नौकर बनाना है. वो नहीं बनेगा तेरा नौकर, निकल इधर से. Correct? You want to go to Krishna. Why you want to see Krishna? Now I have some work to be done with him. So please go. Don't disturb him. Now I want to engage in his service. Please come. Very happy will take you. Correct? So we have to have proper attitude. Then only we can see Krishna. We have to develop our consciousness. Sebon mukhe jivado swayameva spurati adaha. So you have to develop the service spirit to Krishna. Okay? So in that way, we should be happy, healthy. Prabhupada said brahmachari means always fresh and healthy and alert, energetic to serve the Lord. Not like this. Full of energy. Okay? So here, Queen Kunti is... Here Devaki, Vasudeva Devaki. Devaki is having the fortune to see Krishna in front of her and she is offering prayer. That is her position. And offering prayers with full knowledge, clear knowledge. Prabhupada said devotee is not a fool. He knows everything. How this creation came, why when the creation is destroyed, how long the creation lasts, how the creation created, why it is created, everything devotee knows. He is very intelligent. Normal man, so-called people, they say they are intelligent, they are fools, number one. They don't even know who they are. They don't even know why this creation is there. They don't know what they have to do with their life. They don't know why they are here. How, why, what, nothing they know. And I am very intelligent. He is a fool, number one. He is just like an animal wasting his time. You see a dog standing in one corner of the road, he is standing for 2 घंटे बाद ही खड़ा उधर. Hota kutta. But human life means he knows what he is doing. Why he is doing, why the Lord is there, why the creation is there, everything he knows. So devotee is not a fool. भक्त मूर्ख नहीं होता, भक्त बहुत बुद्धिमान होता है. उसको सब कुछ मालूम है. लेकिन सब कुछ मालूम होने के बाद हमारी क्रिया भी वैसे ही होनी चाहिए. लाइक सपोज कोई रोड के बीच में खड़ा है, उसको ट्रक आ रहा है, मालूम है, तो बीच में क्यों खड़ा है? कोने में आना. नहीं नहीं मालूम है, अरे मालूम है तो तेरा एक्टिविटी. सो वी से आई एम नॉट बॉडी, आई एम सोल, फैंटास्टिक, दैट्स ग्रेट, बट देन वी शुड एक्ट ऑन दैट प्लेटफॉर्म. आवर एक्टिविटी शुड ओनली बी स्पिरिचुअल. ठीक है, सो दैट विल कम एज वी पुट फायर. It will slowly, the iron on fire, iron will become like hot. So as we take mercy of the holy name, the mercy of the deities, prasadam, slowly we also become, by the mercy, we become spiritualized. By the mercy of Radharani, we get spiritual advancement, and then we can develop bhakti. And then we engage in Krishna service with great love. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam.